Yeah, hello? Who am I talking with? Oh, Janet. Yes. Janet. Oh, you are the one we met last week. Yeah. Okay, during that event. Yes, that program. Yeah, I understand. How are you doing? I hope everything is fine. Hello? You said? Why is your voice sounding? Hello? You said? I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you well. Oh.
Will you keep quiet?
Hello? Okay. Your father is sick. He's in the hospital on admission. It is well. Oh. I hope he's okay. He's better now. They need monies for his surgery. Okay. Your mother is still in the village. Okay. She need transportation to come.
Continue.
Okay. Your brothers?
Jesus.
Okay. Oh, they have not yet paid their school fees.
You are not a bastard.
Okay. You need school fees more. Okay. Or even you too.
There is God.
Okay. So, you need some money. You need. Oh, that's okay. Well, when did we even meet? Last week? We met last week. I gave you my number.
Before you know
and the only call you are calling today is to tell me the whole problem in your family. Who did they tell you I am? Don't go tell. Who? I'm not an NGO. I beg. I think I cannot help you. Or you are not even normal. Because this problem is too much for one person. I think all this village problem, you should send it to the church or any NGO or anywhere that you have. Yes. Thank you.